And sticking with health, following knee surgery, a Honolulu orthopedic surgeon recommends doing yoga because it's gentle on the knees. He reviews some of the basic poses with KITV4's Diana Ko to help you keep aging well.
Inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your left arm back. Take your right hand.
55-year-old Julie Aragaki does yoga in hopes of keeping her knees in shape.
When I'm walking up the stairs, I can kind of feel like my knee sort of almost about to buckle.
She's already doing what one orthopedic surgeon says is a great recovery exercise.
So activities like yoga are actually a really good activity to slowly incorporate in your life, especially after a knee surgery.
It is important to get the body moving.
So a body that's in motion stays in motion.
Dr. Morton suggests 4 basic poses: mountain, tree, warrior 2, and child's pose. This is mountain pose.
It can work on helping you regain your balance.
Tree pose builds strength and balance in the standing leg.
As you get more confident and comfortable, you can slowly start working on getting your leg up higher and higher.
Warrior 2 works on strength in the back leg hamstrings.
The forward leg is really good in order to rebuild your quadriceps and help you get regain your balance.
Child's pose can be too intense at first. You see how my knees are bent here in preparations for child's pose? This is about a 160-degree bend at the joint. That's too much for someone coming out of knee surgery. So Dr. Morton advises you put something under you to elevate you, like a bolster or a block like this, perhaps even 2, so that you don't have to bend the knees as much as you get into the child's pose until you're ready.
This is a great way to work on slowly getting that motion back.
Many people can tolerate slow activity about 6 weeks after their knee replacement. Morton reminds you to talk with your orthopedic surgeon prior to starting any exercise. Diana Ko, KITV4 Island News.